Hi everybody, this is Amy from Crafty Aims Workshop, and today I am getting ready to do the Junk Journal July, which I've never done before. I was actually online looking for somebody who was doing this, and if I didn't find anything I was going to do one myself, but I came across this and I'm really excited for it. The girl megjournals, she is on YouTube. She also has an Instagram account, so check her out. She's the one that is in charge of this. So what it is you're making a junk journal, and then every day of the month of July you have a prompt to do for that day. If you want to do it that way, everybody can do it their own way. The point is just to do one. And then when you get a page done, or if you get weeks worth done, then you can share a picture, Junk Journal July on Instagram, and share what you've done if you want to. So I'm excited about this. So what I'm doing right now, because it is only June 27th, I'm gonna go ahead and make my junk journal and get it ready so that I can start from day one and do the prompts. Now I cannot guarantee I'm gonna do this every single day because I have a hard time doing that, but I'm gonna try very hard to do it and see if I can get through the 31-day challenge. So I have a lot going on in July, by the way, so I can't guarantee that I will get all 31, but I did see one junk journalist who actually was combining some of the prompts to one page, so maybe that's a possibility that I might do if I'm running short on time and I haven't been doing it every day. So that might be something that I try doing too. So I'm going to put this video in fast forward. You're going to watch me make a journal for preparation for the Junk Journal July Challenge. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below if you're going to be doing this. And I can't wait to see what you guys do on Instagram. Alright, here it goes. Okay guys, this is it. What I did was I laminated a folded, well, what I did is I cut down the original that I had, and it was like regular paper size. And I put it in my printer and I lowered it down to 50%, and it came down to being this size. So what I did is I just folded it in an awkward position just to try and get it in that pocket and give it a little bit more of a flare, like you'd have it in your pocket like that if you just threw it in there. So I thought that was kind of neat, and you can still read it. So what I am going to use this one for, as you can see, is the bookmark, or where I'm going to be each day. And I just thought it looked really cute sticking out like that. So there's that. I may end up putting something here later, but I think right now this is good enough. And then that is the ribbon that I had put on the side. I had put the eyelets in here instead of sewing it all in there like I have done in the past. I decided I was going to try this method. I don't know if anybody else has done it. I just thought it up. So I just put 2 eyelets in, and then I put all the strings in the 2 eyelets instead of doing separate things and sewing it in. So this was actually pretty easy. If you all have the ability to do eyelets and you don't want to sew, the only thing you're doing is poking holes in the paper and putting it through the eyelets, which was super simple, and then tying it in the middle. So I put buttons all over the pockets, which I love. It gives it a lot of color. And also I liked having the extra strings hanging, which I did that on purpose. Knotted them pretty good. They're not on all the buttons, just on some of them. And then I used the denim, and I liked the ruffle look, so I went ahead and took some of the strings off of that. And also on this side and on this side, because I like that rough looking. But on this, because there's nothing gluing it down, I decided to put a little bit of glue on the back of it, and that way it won't fray and it won't come out. But I just glued it down with the fabric glue, and I used tacky glue also, one of my favorite glues to use. I just used yarn, some yarn that I have. You can use any string that you want to. I just never used yarn, and I don't think I've used yarn to put the signatures in, so I thought I would try that. And then I just put a bunch of papers together of what I had. I didn't want to go too far with it because I want to do all of that when I'm doing my junk journal each day. I wanted to put a little bit more stuff in there. I might do some tip-ins, I might do some folds, some envelopes, whatever. This is tea dye paper. This is just an old envelope from junk mail. So I'll come up with a bunch of ideas. I probably have too many pages in here, but I wanted to have too many rather than not enough. So this is another envelope, and I love the insides of security envelopes. They have some great designs. I don't know if you've ever paid attention to those, but and then there's a little stamp. So there's that. So I wanted to make sure there was 31 pages, and I'm thinking full pages like this for each day, and then anything extra I can do later. Now this, I have a little pocket, and this was just some leftover papers that I have in a drawer from other projects that I've done. This was a drawing I had made for a book that I made, another junk journal book, and another security envelope. And this one was a copy of something I found on Google, I think. So that was for a project I was doing. And then this one is actually from one of the other journals I did, and recently I had to take some of the pages out because it was just too thick. I couldn't do anything with it, so this is from that. And then there's the back again, so I may do something with that. I may put a pocket in there or something. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. But right now, I just wanted it to be as simple and plain as possible until I get through all of the month of July. So if you guys are interested, you need to go on to megjournals in Instagram and also on YouTube. So do that, and when you post your pictures, don't forget to put hashtag Junk Journal July. I think I'm also going to do a Junk Journal July 2021, and I'm sure other people will do the same thing. And I will see you on Instagram, and we can share each other's pictures and see what we all are doing. And I hope you guys have a great day. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and comment down below if you're going to do this. I would love to see everybody on Instagram and see what you guys are coming up with. All right, you guys, you have a great day and keep on crafting. Bye.